Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're not yet a subscriber of this channel, please do click the subscribe button guys and notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga future uploads natin just like this video.
So we are going to solve here 5 problems. So we have here find differential of y with respect to x or y prime. So here meron tayong 5 problems. You have here y equals the quantity 3x plus 4 squared. You have here y equals x squared, the quantity x squared times the quantity x squared minus x plus 1. Y equals 1 plus x all over 3 minus x squared. Y equals the square root of 2ax minus x squared. And number 5, we have here y equals the quantity x plus 1 cube all over x squared. So from the first problem, guys, we have here y equals 3x plus 4, the quantity we have here squared, and we are required to find y prime. Okay, so pag ganito yung problem natin, nakita natin yung exponent here, so we are required to use the power rule or the power formula. So the power formula goes like this. So we have here the differential of u raised to n, where u is your function, inside function, n is the exponent, is equal to, just bring down the exponent, so you have n, then you copy the function u, subtract 1 to the exponent, n minus 1, then differentiate your inside function, which is u. So this is differential of u. Then the next step na gagawin natin, identify all the elements in the formula. So u natin here is 3x plus 4. So u equals 3x plus 4. So n, the exponent is 2. So differential of u, you have here. So this is, so pag constant katabi ng variable, retain lang yung constant. So this becomes 3. Differential of x is dx, and the differential or the derivative of a constant is 0. So the differential of u equals 3 differential of x. Then, next step na gagawin natin is to substitute in the formula. So u raised to n here is basically all of this function. So that is just y. So the differential of y is, you have here dy. So n here is, you have here 2, so bring that down. Copy the inside function, you have here u. U is 3x plus 4. So n minus 1, so n natin is 2. So 2 minus 1. Then the derivative of u is 3 dx. Then we just simplify this. So you can divide both sides by differential of x. You have here differential, the derivative of y with respect to x equals, so simplify this. So 2 times 3, this is 6. So times the quantity 3x plus 4. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So this is our final answer. So you can multiply this. This becomes 6 times 3, so 18x plus, so 6 times 4, this is 24. So this is your y prime. So that's how the power rule works. So let's proceed to our next problem. So here, if you see this type of equation or function, so may nakamultiply na dalawang separated function, okay? So you have here x squared plus 3, the quantity, times the quantity x squared minus x plus 1. So we are required to find y prime here. So if this is the case, guys, gagamitin natin is your derivative of a product. So the derivative of a product is, you have here uv. The derivative of u and v are 2. Okay, pwede mo siyang ihiwalay into 2 functions here. So uv, yung u natin here is x squared plus 3, and v is x squared minus x plus 1. So this is equal to, by formula, this is u, copy the first function, differentiate the second, then plus, copy the second function, and differentiate the first. So that's how the derivative of a product works. So these are all differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so hindi ko na siya in-include dito because it's already given that this is our differentiated with respect to x. Okay, let's apply this formula. So u, identify natin yung u. U is, you have your x squared plus 3. Then v is x squared minus x plus 1. Okay, then differential of u, du is, so power rule natin to 2x. So 2x dx, so plus 0. Derivative of constant is 0. Okay? Then we have here the derivative of b equals, so power rule again, 2x dx minus differential of x. So the derivative of 1 here, this is a constant, so that is 0. So hindi na natin siya in-include. Now here, what we will do is we just substitute this into the formula. So this uv here is y. So the differential of y, you have here equals, so u, substitute this, we have here x squared plus 3. Then differential of v is 2x. So ito, i-simplify natin siya. So dv here is 2x minus 1 quantity times differential of x. So finactor out natin yung dx. So this becomes, so this is dv 2x minus 1 times differential of x. So plus v natin, v is, you have here x squared minus x plus 1 times, you have here differential of u, which is 2x dx. So what is happening here, guys, is you identify the formula to be used, then identify all the elements, then you substitute and simplify. That's how you find the derivative using those formulas. Okay? So let's just simplify this. So divide both sides by differential of x. So this becomes differential of y with respect to x equals, so this is x squared plus 3 times the quantity, we have here 2x minus 1 plus, you have here x squared minus x plus 1 times the quantity, we have here 2x. Okay? And we simplify this. So y prime, so simplify na natin na y prime yung differential of y with respect to x, this is equal to, so i-FOIL method natin siya. So x squared times 2x, so this is 2x cubed. So x squared times negative 1, so this is negative x squared. So 3 times 2x, this is positive 6x. Okay? So 3 times negative 1, this is negative 3. And we'll proceed to the second term here. So we have here plus, so 2x times x squared, this is 2x cubed. So 2x times negative x, so this is negative 2x squared. So 2x times 1, so this is plus or positive 2x. Then we just simplify this. So y prime equals, so 2x cubed, combine like terms tayo. So algebra, so 2x cubed plus 2x cubed, that is 4x cubed. So negative x squared minus 2x squared is negative 3x squared. So 6x plus 2x, so this is plus 8x. So then the constant, so wala na ibang constant, so this is minus 3. So this is our final answer. So let's proceed to our third problem. Now in this next problem, guys, makita natin this is a fraction. So pag fraction, automatic, guys, ang gagamitin natin is the quotient rule. So quotient rule natin goes like this. So the derivative of u over v. So u and v are separate function. Sineparate natin siya. And this is equal to, you just copy the denominator v. Differentiate your numerator. So this is du. Then subtract your numerator. Copy that and differentiate your denominator. So this is dv. This is all over, okay, the square of your denominator. So v squared. So basically, that's how you find or you use the quotient rule. Here, so u is, so 1 plus x, okay? Then we have here v equals, so this denominator. So this is 3 minus x squared. So differential of u equals, so derivative of constant is 0. So 0 plus derivative ng x is dx. Okay? Then here we have differential of v is dv, and we have here the derivative of 3 is 0. So this is minus derivative of this. So we apply the power rule. So this is 2x differential of x. Okay? Then here, you can say that du equals differential of x and differential of v equals negative 2x dx. Then we apply this formula. So differential of y equals, so v natin, just copy that, v is 3 minus, substitute na lang, 3 minus x squared times the quantity, du. So the differential of u is just equal to dx. Okay, then we have here minus u is, substitute natin yung u, that is 1 plus x. So the differential of v is negative 2x differential of x. So this is all over v squared. So v natin is 3 minus x squared. So 3 minus x squared, the quantity squared. So that is v. Then you raise that to 2. So squared. Then we just simplify this. So divide both sides by differential of x. So this becomes differential of y. Derivative of y with respect to x is equal to, so I have here 3 minus x squared minus 1 plus x times, we have here negative 2x. So this is all over v squared. So v is, so 3 minus x squared, then squared. So y prime equals, this is equal to 3 minus x squared. So this is, so negative times negative, that is positive. So this becomes plus 1 plus x times 2x. So sinimplify natin siya, guys. All over 3 minus x squared, the quantity squared. So y prime equals, we have here 3 minus x squared. So this is 2x times 1. So this is positive 2x. So here, this is 2x times x. So this is positive 2x squared. So this is all over, you have here 3 minus x squared, the quantity squared. So let's simplify the numerator. So this is y prime equals, so this is negative x squared plus 2x squared. So this is just equal to x squared. Then no other like terms here, so just copy this. So 2x, so plus 2x plus 3 all over, you have here the quantity 3 minus x squared squared. So this is our final answer for this particular problem. So let's repeat, guys. Ang quotient rule works like this. Okay? So if you have this form, naka-fraction siya, just copy your denominator, differentiate your numerator, and subtract your numerator times the derivative of your denominator. That is all over the square of your denominator. So that is our quotient rule if you are considering this fraction function. Okay, so let's proceed to our next problem. So in this next problem, guys, as we can see here, meron tayong y equals the square root of the quantity 2ax minus x squared. So in this particular function, a is a constant. Okay, now if you have a function like this, may square root sign, so automatic, guys, if you're finding the derivative, ang gagamitin natin dito is your power rule or yung power formula. So because this square root sign can be represented into a numerical form, which is 1/2. So this is basically exponent 1/2. Now, you have this, i-ano natin siya, i-simplify. So y equals, so the quantity 2ax minus x squared raised to 1/2. So this is the same thing. Now, using your power rule or power formula, so the derivative of u raised to n equals, bring down your exponent n, just copy your inside function u, so raised to n minus 1. So magsubtract ka ng 1 sa exponent, then differentiate mo again yung loob na function or yung u. Now, identify natin yung mga elements here. So u equals 2ax, yung nasa loob, this is minus x squared. Okay? And yung ating exponent n is just equal to 1/2. Then, differential of u is equal to. Okay? So this is, pag may constant katabi ng variable, when you are differentiating, just retain that constant. Okay? So 2a that is the constant coefficient of a variable. So 2a, differential ng x is, you have here dx, and we have here, the derivative of x squared using your power rule is 2x differential of x. Okay? So du natin here is equal to 2a minus 2x, the quantity dx. So factor out your differential of x. Okay? Then, the next step gagawin natin is to substitute this to our formula. So this u raised to n is this full function. So this is y. So this is derivative of y equals, we have here, n natin is 1/2. So this is 1/2, copy that. So u is 2ax minus x squared. Then your exponent should be reduced by 1. So n minus 1. So n is 1/2, therefore this is become, so 1/2 minus 1. Then you have differential of u. This is 2a minus 2x differential of x. Okay? So this is 2a minus 2x quantity differential of x. So let's just simplify this. So we have here differential of y. Divide both sides by differential of x. So dy with respect to x equals, so this is 1/2. So times the quantity 2ax minus x squared raised to, so 1/2 minus 1 is negative 1/2. So ito, common yung 2. Factor out natin yung 2. So 2 times the quantity a minus x. So 2 here, so 2 times 1/2, this is 1, so mag-cancel na siya. So this is y prime equals, so a minus x na lang. Sa taas natin, your numerator. So ito kasing raised to negative 1/2, pwede natin siyang ibaba, gawin natin denominator. So magiging positive yung kanyang exponent. So this becomes all over 2ax minus x squared. So this quantity is raised to 1/2. Then this 1/2 exponent, ibalik natin siya into its original symbol. So this y prime equals, you have here a minus x all over the square root of 2ax minus x squared. So this is the y prime of this function. Okay? So that's how you solve this function, the y prime of this function, using your power rule. So let's proceed, guys, to our last problem. So this is the derivative of u all over v, that is equal to, so just copy your denominator v, differentiate u, so minus u dv all over v squared. Okay? So this is our all differentiated with respect to x. So hindi ko na siya sinabay dito, guys, para hindi na kayo malito. So lalabas pa rin kasi yon in your final answer. So it doesn't matter kung hindi ko siya dito i-include. So para hindi kayo malito, let's neglect that all over dx. Para konti lang yung nakikita nyo sa formula. Okay? So here, dy, so that is equals the quantity x plus 1 cube all over x squared. Now, v natin here is x squared yung ating denominator. But u is equal to x plus 1 quantity, you have here cube, and yung ating v is actually equal to x squared, yung denominator natin. So let's find these parameters here or elements in the formula, differential of u and differential of v. So du here equals, so gamitin natin yung power rule. So bring down the exponent, copy the inside part. So kung hindi niyo pa na panood yung aking video for chain rule, please check that out, guys, because doon na-discuss ko on how to apply power formula easily. Or every derivative requires your chain rule. So copy the inside function, x plus 1, subtract 1 to your exponent, so this becomes squared, then differentiate your inside function. So the derivative of this inside function is dx, the differential of x, dx, then you have here the derivative of this constant is 0. So this is plus 0. So huwag na natin siyang isulat. Okay? Then here, the derivative of v is, again, you use the power rule. So this becomes 2x differential of x. Now, next natin gagawin, guys, is we just substitute this to our formula. Okay? So this becomes, so differential of y equals, So this is v. V natin is x squared times du. Differential of u is ito. 3 times the quantity x plus 1 squared. Differential of x minus u natin. Just copy that. You have here the quantity x plus 1 cube. Then differential of v is 2x differential of x. All over, of course, the square of your denominator. That is, so v natin is x squared. So since that is v squared, so raise natin to sa 2. Okay? So that is v squared. So x squared raised to 2. So i-simplify natin siya guys. So divide both sides by differential of x. Yields natin dito is y prime. So this is derivative of y with respect to x equals. So this is 3x squared times the quantity. You have here x plus 1 squared. Then minus, this is x plus 1 cube times 2x all over. So we have here x raised to 4. So this is x squared squared. So here, y prime equals, so expand natin to, dalawa para masimplify natin siya. So this becomes, so 3x squared. So using your FOIL method, this becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1. So minus, so itong x cubed, paghiwala na natin siya, so this becomes x plus 1 squared times the quantity x plus 1. So this is the same thing as x cubed. So this is times 2x. Okay? So all over, you have here x raised to 4. So this is y prime equals, so 3x squared times x squared. So this becomes 3x raised to 4. So plus 3x squared times 2x. So this is 6x cubed. So 3x squared plus times 1, I mean. So 3x squared times 1, this is plus 3x squared. Okay? Then ito, simplify natin siya. So this becomes, so minus the quantity. So this is x squared plus 2x plus 1 times x plus 1 times 2x. Okay? So in-expand natin itong x plus 1 squared. This is all over, you have here x raised to 4. So further simplifying guys, simplify pa natin siya. So this becomes, so let's simplify this again. We have here y prime. So equals, so this is 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed plus 3x squared minus, dito guys, if FOIL method natin, so x times x squared, so this is x cubed. So x times 2x, so this is plus 2x squared. So x times 1, so this is x, so plus x. So plus 1 times x squared, so this is x squared. 1 times 2x, so this is positive 2x. Then 1 times 1, so this is plus 1 times the quantity 2x. So all over, this is x raised to 4. So further simplifying, we have here y prime equals, so 3x raised to 4 plus 6x cubed. So plus 3x squared minus, you have here, so i-multiply natin ito, 2x times x cubed, this becomes 2x raised to 4. So 3x squared times 2x, so this is plus 6x cubed. So 3x times 2x here, this is plus 6x squared. Then 2x times 1, this is plus 2x. Okay? That is, of course, all over. So we have here x raised to 4. So simplify pa natin guys. So y prime equals, so here we have here 3x raised to 4. Then may parenthesis tayo dito. So let's first remove this parenthesis. So if you remove this parenthesis, ma-distribute yung negative sign sa individual. So that is your algebra. So if you remove this parenthesis, negative times positive, that becomes negative. All of this will become negative. So tanggalin na natin yung parenthesis and we just change this sign to a negative sign. So this becomes, so we have here y prime equals, so 3x raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4. So this is equal to x raised to 4. So 6x cubed minus 6x cubed. So basically this cancels out here. So 0 na yan. Then we have here 3x squared minus 6x squared. So this becomes negative 3 x squared. So this 2x here is retained, so we have here minus 2x all over, you have here x raised to 4. So therefore, y prime is equal to, so let's just simplify this again. So y prime, so we have here x raised to 4 all over, so x raised to 4 all over x raised to 4, so this is minus 3x squared all over x raised to 4, so this is minus 2x all over x raised to 4. So laws of exponent natin guys, if you're dividing same base, different exponent, you just subtract those exponents. So you have here equals, so x raised to 4 all over x raised to 4, so this is 1, so minus, so 3, x raised to, so 2 minus 4, so subtract lang ng exponent. So minus, so this is 2, so x, subtract din yung exponent, so this is exponent 1, so this is 1 minus 4. So further simplifying, we have here y prime equals to 1 minus 3 x raised to negative 2 minus 2 x raised to negative 3. So that's our final answer for this particular problem. So that's it for today's video guys. I hope that you have learned from this content. Please do subscribe on this channel and click that notification bell so that ma-notify kayo guys sa mga future uploads natin. So see you guys. Bye!